Investing in the stock market may be a roller coaster ride that has its thrills and frills. But with geopolitical conflicts, rising fuel prices and a whole host of challenges lurking ahead, Wall Street officially drifted into bear market territory. For seasoned investors, this might be a great opportunity to pick up beaten down stocks at great discounts. But is that a viable strategy in these uncertain times? Here's a report.
The Nasdaq Composite Index, which tracks technology and tech-adjacent stocks, officially slipped into bear territory on Wednesday. 4,200 on the S&P 500. That's the big number that had stock market investors on the edge of their seats. A break below that level triggered a real fear that a larger sell-off could follow. The reasons behind this decline were multifaceted. Firstly, in the tech arena, disappointment loomed large. The Magnificent Seven tech giants, which include Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla, witnessed an average one-day tumble of 3.4%. These heavyweights make up a substantial portion of the S&P 500. One of the major culprits behind this Wall Street slide is the upswing in US 10-year Treasury yields, now perched at 5%. These guaranteed returns became irresistible to investors, especially with the Federal Reserve aiming to tame inflation under 4% in the short term. This effectively translates into returns that outpaced inflation from safe haven assets. Geopolitical anxieties played a significant role as well. Initially, the conflict between Israel and Hamas was seen as having limited market impact. However, the specter of it expanding to involve Iran, a major energy producer, looms large. With oil and gas markets already stretched thin, this uncertainty could fuel a temporary surge in oil prices, possibly surpassing $100 per barrel. And then there's the cloud of political uncertainty hanging over the United States. As evidenced by recent developments in Congress, investors typically anticipate competent governance from their elected officials, and recent disruptions have eroded that confidence. As Wall Street navigates the challenges posed by these events, one burning question remains. Can it rebound from this bearish trend? The financial landscape is undoubtedly complex, but historical precedent suggests that markets possess a remarkable resilience. For investors with an eye on long-term prospects, this could potentially translate into an opportunity waiting to be seized. Bureau Report WION, World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.